ourselves ready for action.
That doesn't sound good at all.
No, it really doesn't.
Oh boy, what a mess.
We better get ourselves ready for action.
Just keep calm.
Tower to headquarters.
Tower, we hear you.
We have an imminent cargo plane crash approaching a crosswind runway 624. We need all units at the end of runway 6 immediately.
Tower, understood. Issuing operational orders immediately. Attention, operation for the entire flight company. All vehicles to the assembly area at the end of runway 06. We have an impending cargo plane crash. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. Mission control to all units. The aircraft is now unmanned and on a direct collision course with the runway. All units on standby for rapid intervention.
Airfield fire truck 8 to mission control. Understood.
Engine 3 to mission control. Understood.